Looking for a feature-packed wearable to pair with your Android phone? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best smartwatch for Android. Offers seamless connectivity, advanced health tracking, and customizable apps to keep you connected and in control wherever you go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 arrives as one of the most advanced wearables for Android users, blending sleek design with cutting-edge technology powered by Galaxy AI. This smartwatch is built to help you push your personal boundaries every day. Whether you're tracking your latest run, bike ride, or a casual stroll, the enhanced performance insights provided by Galaxy AI allow you to compare your current efforts with your previous performances. This makes it much easier to monitor progress and stay motivated. One of its standout features is the personalized energy score. Calculated daily, this score lets you gauge your physical readiness for the day ahead based on factors like your sleep quality and previous activity levels. This watch doesn't just track your heart rate, it improves on it. Thanks to enhanced heart rate tracking technology, Galaxy AI filters out irrelevant movements for more accurate real-time data during workouts. Users seeking wellness guidance will appreciate the Wellness Tips feature, which delivers customized suggestions to help you meet your health and fitness goals. Additionally, the Galaxy Watch 7's sleep tracking capabilities have been taken up a notch. It not only monitors sleep patterns, but also detects moderate to severe sleep apnea, providing valuable insights into your nightly rest. These insights are collected by the watch and analyzed on your smartphone for easy access and actionable feedback. The Galaxy Watch 7 blends premium design with practical fitness and health features, making it the best smartwatch for Android users who want top-tier functionality and health insights in a reliable, stylish package. Number 2. Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness. The Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness smartwatch continues to uphold Fitbit's reputation for delivering reliable, health-centric wearables designed with fitness enthusiasts in mind. Ideal for Android users seeking a feature-rich device, the Versa 4 pairs comprehensive fitness tracking with smart convenience features. Equipped with a daily readiness score, built-in GPS, and a workout intensity map, it helps users better understand their activity levels and readiness for physical exertion. Its 40+ exercise modes and automatic exercise recognition make it versatile for any workout routine, while active zone minutes and 24/7 heart rate monitoring provide valuable insights into personal fitness trends. Sleep tracking is another area where the Versa 4 shines. With a personalized sleep profile, daily sleep stages, and a sleep score, users can closely monitor their nightly rest. Features like Smart Wake Alarm and Do Not Disturb mode add extra convenience. Mental well-being is addressed through stress management tools, including a daily stress management score and guided breathing sessions.
Number 3. Samsung Galaxy 47mm. The Samsung Galaxy 47mm smartwatch stands out as a rugged, reliable option for Android users who demand durability alongside advanced smart features. Crafted with a durable titanium design, it's built to endure rigorous workouts and outdoor adventures, from dusty trails to ocean swims. Beyond its rugged exterior, the watch integrates Galaxy AI, elevating fitness tracking with advanced performance insights. Its fitness tracking features encourage users to surpass personal bests by comparing current workout data with previous sessions. The Energy Score feature evaluates your daily physical readiness based on sleep, heart rate, and activity, offering a quick snapshot of your overall wellness. Galaxy AI delivers personalized suggestions through Wellness Tips, helping you stay on track with health goals. Heart rate tracking has been refined, filtering out excessive movement to deliver more accurate readings during intense activities. This ensures you receive precise, actionable health data to guide your fitness journey.
Number 4. Amazefitit Active 2. The Amazefitit Active 2 smartwatch combines stylish aesthetics with impressive fitness tracking, making it a smart choice for Android users who appreciate both form and function. Featuring a sleek stainless steel build and a bright 1.32-inch AMOLED display, it ensures excellent visibility of health data even in direct sunlight. Underneath its sophisticated exterior lies a powerful fitness companion equipped with Amazefit's BioTracker technology, the accurate heart rate and sleep tracking. time. This makes it ideal for users focused on improving overall wellness. One of its standout advantages is the impressive 10-day battery life, significantly reducing the need for frequent recharges. The smartwatch also supports free, downloadable maps with turn-by-turn directions, adding convenience for outdoor enthusiasts.
Number 5. The Amazefitit TRex 3. The Amazefitit TRex 3 redefines rugged smartwatch design, making it a top contender for Android users who demand extreme durability and long battery life. With an ultra-bright AMOLED display reaching 2,000 nits of peak brightness, it guarantees excellent visibility in any environment, from sun-drenched trails to nighttime runs. Engineered with a 316L stainless steel bezel, this smartwatch withstands harsh temperatures ranging from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and is water resistant to 328 feet, suitable even for freediving up to 147 feet. Battery performance is another area where the TRex 3 excels. Users can expect over 3 weeks of battery life under typical use, with up to 180 hours available in GPS mode, ideal for extended hikes, camping trips, or travel without frequent charging. The watch's precision navigation tools, including dual-band positioning and 6 satellite systems, offer fast, reliable GPS connections and turn-by-turn navigation.